I'm being joined at this point by Raman Malik, who's a political analyst, Wing Commander Anuma Acharya, who's a spokesperson for the Congress, as well as Arvind Kumar Jain, who's a former DGP for Uttar Pradesh. Mr. Arvind Kumar Jain, may I come to you at this point? Mr. Arvind Kumar, what gives the guts to these brazen violators? I'm calling violators, but they are killers, to go about doing what they are doing with weapons illegally, killing people, in this case, a young 19-year-old.
They must be having protection of the corrupt policemen posted in the district, because they also try to locate the cattle smugglers, people who deal in transportation of cattle so that they can extort money. They must be giving protection to these people. And that's why they are so very emboldened that they have been able to carry out this kind of ghastly murder. It's a pure and simple murder. And this Anil Kaushik, I'm told that he is a cow vigilante, and the others with him, they must also be his close friends, must be same group. And it's absolutely shameful incident which is happening in 2024. How can a state government permit such vigilante groups to flourish? All these vigilante groups should be this entire structure should be demolished in Haryana. Several incidents have taken place in Haryana, and they are absolutely shameful. And I don't think state government and police force is taking very stern action to demoralize such groups. He might be right. He might have got information that some cattle smugglers are moving around in Duster. It is his duty to inform police. He cannot take law in his own hands. He cannot chase the vehicle. Anything could have happened. The car might have met with an accident, and all the 5-6 people inside it might have died on the spot. So, no, absolutely, there is no provision that you can inform police. Yes, that is there. Then it is the duty of the police to take over. But you can't take law in your hands. Very stern action is required against such groups in Haryana.
Mr. Arvind Kumar, I have more to ask you, but before I ask you more on this, let me quickly go across to my panelists at this point. Raman Malik, if I can come to you, do you want to answer what the father has asked? The father has asked, how can an innocent be killed? The father has said that the accused thought that he was of a particular religion and therefore he was killed, and that's what the father has said on record to a question that was asked of him. The father is saying, how can any innocent person be killed like this? This is not the first such instance that is happening, Raman Malik. What is the government, what is the state government looking at?
Not the first incident happening in Haryana, or it is the last incident that is going to happen. Because there's a lot of echo in this disturbance.
Right. I think I'll allow you to fix. I'll allow for the audio to be fixed. There's a huge echo problem. We'll try and fix this audio. If I can request my team to kindly look into this and fix Mr. Raman Malik's audio, and we will revert to him as soon as his audio is fixed. Wing Commander Anuma Acharya, concerns over cow vigilantes taking justice into their hands. Not just justice, going or not informing the police, but literally taking justice into their hands.
Good evening, Neha, and all the panelists. Now, I have to ask you the first question, that who is going to authenticate their story as they came for stopping smuggling of cows? How can we ascertain that in a country where every day 80 rapes occur and victims are from the age of few months to 90 years, they were not actually chasing those women? Or perhaps to rob them for their money? Aren't we coloring a heinous crime with a religious flavor, adding a cow angle here? I'm asking this very glaring question to you. Just don't believe what they are saying. It seems that the entire country's law and order system is shaken. The government itself has set an example by demolishing people's home with bulldozers without following the due legal processes. So they get the inspiration from here. And this has emboldened groups like Bajrang Dal, Go Rakshak Sangathan, which is an RSS ally, which is an RSS, one of the Sangathan of RSS. And they've started behaving like a self-proclaimed cow protectors. Did they get this responsibility from the government?
No, but
It's
in
not me asking.
in this
If you
case,
are asking,
Wing
it's the
Commander Anuma
father-
Acharya, in this case, let's just look at this case that has unfolded. It's a 19-year-old, a class 12th student, a 19-year-old class 12 student, which had gone with a group of people, including his landowner's mother, or I mean, all known people living almost together. They'd gone to enjoy a birthday party, as my colleague was saying. They had some cup of noodles, and they were returning home at 1:30 in the night. A 19-year-old boy's life is snuffed out.
I am fully with you, but I am asking who authenticates this story that they were after the cow smugglers. This is hearsay. Those people have said, and we have agreed. Look, running a parallel justice system in this way means that the fear of the law is
No,
completely
hold on.
eroding in
What
the
do you
country.
mean by this is hearsay? Do you have, no, here's my question. Do you have anything in particular to say that this is only hearsay? Because the police, the top police official has gone on record to say that this was a car vigilante group, a case of mistaken identity. Do you have any points? Is there anything specific that you're raising in this particular
That's
case?
what I'm saying, that somebody has said they were chasing those people because they thought they're cow smugglers. I mean, this is the person who is trying to escape, who is trying to save his skin. They are just saying, and police believes this. How are they not chasing those women in the car? How can you say they had no intentions of robbing those people or doing something incorrect, wrong with them? This is a country wherein the law and order is in shambles these days. Every day we hear about stories of women being raped of any age to any age. And that's what I'm saying. How can you be so certain this was this story only? Because there will be a religious flavor and everybody
Arvind
will
Kumar
believe
Jain,
this.
do you want to
I-
respond to this?
It should not be thing. And this kind of this so-called cow protectors, they are so confident that they don't interfere in only in families' lives. They end their lives. Look at the unfortunate
Okay.
father of Aryan Mishra.